我的名字叫 Peter Holmes.
So what we're going to do now is use the TradeSift software along with the data we've already sent to you to do some actual analyses.
An outline of our course. And the third big point you'll do is to learn how to use the graphs which TradeSift can produce to understand matters of trade policy.
And it will have saved all of those countries. I've got my reporter is Australia, so I've got Australia's trade, and now you see this nice matrix.
The absolute export value of primary and manufactured goods both kept a positive growth trend. The growth rate of primary goods was...
This is really good. I don't think we've ever had a group that we've been teaching where this has been possible in this way. I'm really impressed. It's fantastic.
So you have done a really wonderful job in terms of presenting what you have done. So this impressed me as well. As your teacher and as a teacher that's been teaching in Xidian University for more than 10 years.
At every class we get a lot and we benefit a lot.
I would like very much to retain this connection between us. We've had a very nice time together, and long may it continue.